Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Kate and today we're going to paint an easy beginner-friendly watercolor painting. I will have all of the specific paint colors and supplies I'm using listed over on my blog. I'll have a link in the description box below. I first began this painting by filling the entire page with clean water. Then I loosely applied blue paint to the entire bookmark to give a nice blue sky to the background of the painting. Now we are going to let this section completely dry before you move on to the next step. Once everything was completely dry, I began painting in 3 sections of trees. I tapped in the shape of an evergreen tree using the tip of my small brush filled with dark green paint. I slowly added more paint to my green paint mixture as I continued to paint in more layers of trees. After my 3rd layer of trees was completely dry, I wasn't really happy with how everything looked, so I decided to paint in 4 thick black trees in the foreground. I wanted these trees to hide a lot of my background. After adding the black trees at the front of the painting, I ended up liking how it fixed what I didn't like, so I continued to add in my final touches. I took the same black paint on my brush, and with the tip of my brush, I painted in a few small birds flying in the sky. Each bird is made up of a loose M shape. And there you have an easy, beginner-friendly watercolor painting. This will be for sale over on my Etsy shop. If you would like to check that out, I'll have a link in the description box below. Thanks so much for following along today. Here are a few more watercolor tutorials I think you may like.